Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use the GHD Glide Hot Brush. First, always ensure your hair is completely dry before you begin styling. Next, protect your hair from heat damage by applying a generous amount of heat protectant spray from roots to ends. Finally, plug in your GHD Glide Hot Brush and wait for it to reach its ideal styling temperature, which is typically 185 degrees Celsius, indicated by a steady light. This preparation ensures safe and effective styling. Now, let's talk about technique. Begin by dividing your dry hair into manageable sections, ideally about 1 inch wide and not too thick. Take one section and place the GHD Glide Hot Brush underneath it, starting as close to the roots as comfortable. Then, slowly and steadily glide the brush through the hair, moving from the roots all the way down to the ends. This slow movement allows the heat to effectively smooth and straighten each strand. To achieve truly smooth and sleek results, you might need to repeat the gliding motion 2 to 3 times on each hair section. For added volume, especially at the crown, lift the sections upwards as you brush through them. Pay special attention to the ends of your hair. You can gently curl them under or flick them out slightly for a polished finish. Remember, consistent, slow passes are key to a frizz-free look. Once you've styled all your hair, allow it to cool completely before touching it or applying any finishing products. This cooling period helps to set the style and ensures longevity. To complete your look, apply a light hairspray for hold or a serum for added shine and frizz control. Finally, remember to clean your GHD Glide Hot Brush regularly with a damp cloth once it has cooled down, keeping it in top condition for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.